Hello viewers, introduce my name Naila Al-Hudoma. I'm from 12th Vocational School, Network Engineering Nata Islamic Boarding School. In this occasion, I want to present about my article. Problem and Corruption Eradication in Indonesia. Stay tuned on my channel and check this out.
Artikel ini membahas berbagai isu terkait praktek korupsi. Korupsi bukanlah hal baru dan tidak ada kaitannya dengan hukum halal dan haram. Itu sudah ada sejak lama dan berhasil melakukan penyesuaian terhadap setiap perubahan aturan di negeri ini. Singkatnya, korupsi adalah bagian dari budaya negara. Dalam hal ini, korupsi mencangkup praktek suap, manipulasi, dan segala praktek yang merugikan negara. Korupsi dikategorikan sebagai kejahatan sistemik yang harus dirantas secara sistematik. Dalam bidang hukum terdapat teori sistem hukum yang dikemukakan oleh Lawrence M. Friedman untuk memecahkan masalah korupsi meliputi institusi hukum, struktur hukum, dan budaya hukum. Keyword: problematika korupsi, pemberantasan, peran KPK, peran masyarakat. Introduction. In Indonesia, the Great Post-Independence War was the war on corruption. It felt liquid. At that time, there were two regulations intended to eradicate of corruption, namely the regulation of the Central War Authority of the Army Chief of Staff dated April, and the Central War Authority Regulation gave all naval staff in its development. Regulation regarding criminal acts of corruption are regulated in 1. Law no prosecution and examination of criminal acts of corruption, countering the eradication of corruption crimes. 4. In conjunction with law no concreting the eradication of corruption crime. 6. Law no countering the KPK. Law no conquering the corruption court. Not only by state or government officials who out corruption in state finances. The sin of corruption is bad for the private sector as well. Almost all professions return to scrutiny of stain with this disease. Neither a common doctor, lecturer, even journalists, and connect across the culture. It is the responsibility of our wide humanity in the context of the nation and state. That responsibility shall running being as leading and as the chair of the. According to Edwin H. Sutherland, criminal behavior is learned through acquaintances made with those who violate societal norms, including legal norms. The learning process includes not only the actual crime execution, but also motivations, incentives, attitude, and rationalization that are comfortable on stage fleeing for committing antisocial acts. Definition of corruption. The term corruption in Indonesia was not originally a juridical term. Even the term corruption itself comes from the Latin corruptio, which, among other things, meant to make, to spoil, to bribe. Manuel, according to Syed Hussein Alatas, stating that corruption is a dishonest transaction. Meanwhile, according to Syed Hussein Alatas, stating that corruption is a dishonest transaction that can cause lot of people time and energy from other parties. It's in the form of bribery, extortion, and nepotism. The phenomena are not the same. Based on the description above, everything related to corruption, according to Gunnar Myrdal, is not something new. It is not something kind of lawful to be bestowed in any way. The way and form of corruption will naturally vary and change according to the changing times. Corruption is linked to the cultural life of a nation. According to Kautilya, it was impossible for him, a civil servant, not to aid concerning the eradication of criminal acts of corruption. It is emphasized that the crime of corruption is every act of a person of legal entity that is against the law to enrich oneself or another person or an entity with directly harm the state finance and or the state economy or is known to be suspected by him that the art is the criminal of the state finances. Characteristic of corruption. There are many characteristics of corruption, some of which are with corruption involving more than one person. This is not the same as excess of tale of fraud or a compliment. For example, a false statement about travel expense of or hotel accounts. A notorious as of finance but a traitor of other. Second, corruption generally involves security, except where it has become of so rampant and late internet that powerful individual and those in their environment are not template or hit their action. However, often here the movies for corruption are captured. Those who are involved in corruption always try to cover up their action by taking cover behind legal justification. Those involved in corruption are those who make first decision and those who are able to influence those decisions. Causes of corruption. Corruption occurs, of course, for many reasons, including the absence or weakening of leadership incapacity capable of inspiring and influencing before that term corruption. The weakness of regulation and dictatorship. Colonialism. A free government does not impair duality and obedience. Lack of education, poverty, the absence of harsh punishment, security of the environment for anti-corruption behavior. Government structure, radical check, the condition of society. The position of the Corruption Eradication Commission (KPK) in Indonesia. KPK is a state institution that was specifically formed to eradicate corruption. The formation of the KPK is due to the fact that the eradication of corruption that has occurred until now has not been carried out optimally, and government institutions that handle corruption cases have not funded of the social and economic growth of the community. The consequences of corruption will not only bring disaster to the national economy, but also to the life of the nation and state. To that corruption can no longer be classified as an ordinary dream, but has become an extraordinary crime. Therefore, eradication of corruption needs to be carried out in extraordinary was KPK duties and authorities. The duties of the KPK as affirmed in Article 6 of now is to carry out coordination and supervision, in particular investigation and prosecution of criminal acts of corruption, as well the prevention and monitoring of government administration in education corruption. The KPK is tasked with focusing of educating criminal acts of corruption that are substantial to involve love and government efforts, state administration, and other learned proper corruption in equinary crime. The force of KPK is gained extraordinary powers, such as taking over the investigation of production that is being carried out by the police atau interrupting and recording conversation. Order the relevant organs to prohibit. Order the bank of financial institution to bank accounts suspected of being the result of corruption. Ordering the leader of the suspects to temporarily dismiss the suspect from his position. Temporarily suspend affected and financial transaction and other agreement. Meanwhile, in terms of carrying out supervision, the KPK has the authority to conduct supervision. The problem of eradicating corruption by the KPK since its establishment in 2003, with the legal basis of law number concerning the KPK. The Governor of Bank Indonesia to the core management of political parties said on Transparency International data on the Corruption Perception Index, reading the perception of corruption in central institutions in Indonesia. The role of society in combating corruption, the Constitution, cruelty, and the conflict of popular sovereignty has been interpreted by John Bodin in a different sense. Article 8 of Law concluding the implementation of a clean of free state of corruption. Concerning the implementation of a clean and free state of corruption, collusion and nepotism classify the role of the community as a right and responsibility to participate in realizing and clean state administration. Conclusion: understanding corruption as a systemic crime, the corruption must be implemented systemically. In law, there is a legal system to reform language and Friedman with includes legal substance, legal structure, legal culture. Tips: in terms of legal culture, according the criminology, crime is born because the perpetrator is less culture of step. In biology, language is said to be still a kill with a still attitude. In this regard, there need to be a core understanding of the main details. In terms of legal culture, according to criminology, crime is born because the perpetrator is less cultured or stupid. In biological language, it is said To be still a kill with a childish attitude. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.